Hello friends, I am CS Riddhi Jain and this video I am making for all the students who are attempting your exams this November. Now what is the important fact? Timing of your examination. Exam time क्या होता है आपका CA exam का 2 से 5. Normally if I talk to you, at what time you are highly active in life? If you are a CA student, I can be like I'm dead sure about the fact या तो आप रात को 12 बजे के बाद पढ़ते हो या आप सुबह अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग यू गेट अप एंड यू स्टडी. सो द फैक्ट इज the most active time in your life is either night, either you are a big time out or you are a very early riser, morning peacock kind of person. So the fact is कि एग्ज़ाम टाइम तो हमारा 2 से 5 होता है. सो वाई इज़ इट स्पेसिफिकली 2 to 5? So you know there is a very specific reason why it is 2 to 5. Examination times are 2 to 5 because your body is most inefficient during that time. मैम ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो इनएफिशिएंट? टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आप उसके जस्ट पहले खाना खाए होते हो. योर बॉडी इज़ यूटिलाइजिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इन डाइजेस्टिंग दैट फूड एंड यू आर एक्चुअली प्रोसेसिंग योर ब्रेन. आंसर ला के दे while writing in the examination hall. And the fact is it's already utilizing the energy, so your productivity is comparatively very low. So how do you solve this particular puzzle? मैं क्या करूँ? एग्ज़ाम का टाइम तो चेंज नहीं हो सकता. ICI on a lighter note, if they start taking examinations from 12 o'clock midnight, I think हमारा passing percentage comparatively बहुत increase हो जाएगा. So me counseling few of my students and talking to them, so they said कि मैम एग्ज़ाम टाइम में 4 to 5 में स्पीड सबसे बेस्ट रहती है, 3 to 4 में भी कंपैरेटिवली कम रहती है और 2 to 3 में तो बहुत ही कम रहती है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ 2 to 5 and you have a consistent speed while writing the paper. You are writing a professional paper. You don't make sure from we are standing today in September, हम आज सितंबर में हैं और आपका पेपर नवंबर में है. So make sure in your next days, the way you've set your routine, make sure that you are active during the time of 2 to 5. Either you are studying, either you are reading, or you are solving some kind of test paper. Don't train your body to sleep at that particular point of time जो आपका exam time होता है. This is one of the major mistakes that a lot of students make. Make sure that you don't feel lethargic. आपको एकदम आलस नहीं आना चाहिए उस टाइम पे. You should be energetic at that particular point of time. At the same time जो 21 days का rule होता है, yeah, that you can make or break a habit in 21 days. From September onwards, if I count till November, you still have that 21 days. You have 2 slots of 21 days, right? So better focus on changing that particular habit of being inactive during the time of 2 to 5. So this is my heartfelt request to you guys. Make sure that you make a note of this particular thing in your mind and you process yourself. You start doing it this particular way. I'm sure you're going to make good amount of changes in your result. All the best for your examinations. In case of any kind of question, queries, write a message in the DM of the Instagram. Signing off is CA Riddhi Jain.